Hello friends, welcome to today's session. In the last session we had seen what is addition by visualization. You have understood the theory of visualization, what is this visualization is all about. Today we will see that how to practice this so that you can increase the speed of your doing addition. And by learning that, by practicing the speed addition, you will gradually you'll be able to increase the speed of your doing all kinds of calculation. So let us see today what is this visualization is all about, and how to increase your speed. And I told you earlier that there is no trick at all. When I do speed addition, I do addition at very faster speed. There is no trick, there is no formula behind it. It is simply the speed of my processor. And so it is only by practicing and you can increase the speed of your processor. So that increased speed of processor helps you to do calculations quickly. And it requires a lot of practice. If you practice regularly, whatever I will tell you here, then over a period of time, you'll be able to increase your speed. Now, while doing this, initially, you may make some mistakes when you're doing things at a very faster rate, and there is a chance of doing mistake. Do not worry about mistake. Let the mistakes happen. Over a period of time, as you keep on practicing, you will see that you are doing things more correctly. When you're doing your calculation at speed, does not mean that you are going to make mistakes at all. Over a period of time, gradually it will become better. I'll give you the charts for practicing. You should see those charts and start practicing over that. And if you practice on the different charts that I'll give, you practice it, so over a period of time, you'll be able to increase your speed. So the first chart will tell you how to count numbers, how to add numbers easily by single digit. So initially, you will start with the single digit numbers. So what you'll be doing, this is our practice for increasing the speed of calculation, in particular the speed of addition. So what you'll be doing is that initially 1 plus 1, there is a chart which will write like this, 1 plus 2, which I'll show you. You can jot down 1 plus 3. This is very simple, but I'm telling you like this, you'll go up to 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Similarly, you write 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, then 2 plus 3 is 5, like that. You'll gradually go up to 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. And so on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 plus 2 is 11, 9 plus 3 is 12, and so on. 9 plus 10 is 10, 19. Now here, the important thing is not to remember this. You are not to remember these things, whatever is written here. You have to practice that calculation, that you have to harp on your processor. Your processor should be able to count those things, calculate those things quickly. So what I'll be doing is 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. You don't remember it, but just make that calculation in your mind. 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 plus 6 is 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, as quickly as possible. 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 plus 2 is 11, 9 plus 3 is 12, 9 plus 4 is 13, 9 plus 5 is 14, as quickly as possible. So you will keep on practicing this thing for some days. Once you practice this thing, gradually it will come into your system. Your processor will become quicker. It will make those calculations, because while doing addition, you have to do that. You have to make 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. So that thing you will learn, not only learn, you will develop your processor for doing those calculations quickly. So this will be your first chart, and you have to do not ignore it, howsoever small it may be. Over a period of time, when you practice this for a few days, you will see that you have become faster in making these totals quickly. That quickness is important, not remembering again and again, I'm telling you. So let us see the first chart, where I've given you these numbers 1 to 9, and then you remember the chart, not remember the chart, but practice the charts for doing quicker calculations by using your processor. Let us see that chart. Here is your chart 1 for addition by visualization. This is a sample chart where we have given only up to number 5. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can make for 6, 7, 8, 9 as well. Practice these numbers, and once you practice with 2 digits only, you can increase it. Say for example, like 2 plus 2, you can make 2 plus 2 plus 3, then you can make 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, then 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, like that. Keep on increasing and make your practice, and gradually increase your speed of calculation. That will be beneficial for you. Let us see further. Well, now you have seen the chart 1, where you have seen the numbers in single digit numbers, and to add those things quickly by using your processors. Now you will see the chart number 2, where we'll have double digits. So for example, suppose I write 63824735. You can, in the beginning, it's better you start with like this. Make two numbers only, 63 and 82. Now here again, as you did in case of the single digits, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, 8 plus 5 is 13. Like that here, 3 plus 2 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14. Doing it quickly, 3 plus 2 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14. What you are doing, you are increasing the speed of your processor. This processor will get habituated in calculating these things quickly. I am speaking out to make you understand, because if you speak out, it takes more time. So you need not speak. You just write 5, right? 14. That's all. I take another example. Practice like this. 37, 43. So without saying it, just increase the speed of a processor. Do it like this. But mentally what you have done, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8, 0. You have done it quickly. So once you complete these 2 digits, then you should practice it by taking, say, 3 numbers, 64, 46. Practice it now. Do the same thing quickly by taking these 3 numbers. What I have done? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 7, 17, 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 16, 1, 6, 7. That's what I have done. I have done it without speaking it out. Right. So once you complete these 3, practice for some time with these 3 numbers. Then you should practice for the 4 numbers. What I have done? 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 3, 17, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 6, 22. This is what? You will do it quickly. You take another number here, 46, 37, 52, 68. Do it. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Quick. So keep on practicing with these 2 digits for a few days. Every time you practice it for 3 days, and once you practice this regularly, you will see that your speed of your calculations increase, because your processor is now being habituated in making calculations quicker, right? So you should, now we'll see the chart number 2, where all these numbers are given. You may note down those and practice it yourself, and also you can practice on your own by writing different numbers. You practice it and gradually be proficient in making totals with these 2-digit numbers. So let us see this particular chart number 2, where there are totaling of the numbers of 2 digits are given. Okay. Here is a chart 2 for addition by visualization, where you will find 2-digit numbers are given. Although there are 4 numbers given in one column, you may start with 2 numbers, add it, then you make some practice, then go to the number 3, make some little practice, then you go to number 4, and like that continue practicing. Even you can increase this from 4 numbers to 5 numbers. So ultimately, by practicing, you should be proficient in making addition of these 2-digit numbers. Well, friends, now we have seen the chart number 2. Now we're going to see the chart number 3. The chart number 3 will contain 3-digit numbers. So you will write a 3-digit number like this. Initially, you may start with 2 numbers like this. Just total it quickly without saying anything. 4 plus 6, 10, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 4, 3, 7. You have got a tremendous capability within your processor which you do not use. So you do it just right like this. When you are competent with 2 digits, get confidence with 2 digits, 2 numbers, take 3 numbers. So there are 3 numbers here. Well, I've done it. Just total like this. Take 3-digit numbers and 3 numbers and then total it. Once you're conversant with this, familiar with this, become competent with this, become comfortable with this, you should better take now 4 numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Quickly. 6 plus 9 plus 7, 16 plus 4, 20, 2 plus 7 plus 11, 15, 18, 2, 4, 6, 10 plus 4, 14, 14, 18. So you'll see the chart. The chart will also give you the numbers. You can total those numbers yourself. Take 2 numbers, then take 3 numbers, then take 4 numbers. You can even then you can take 5 numbers, and like that you just develop it gradually, increase it, and get your confidence, increase your confidence level. So now let us see this chart number 3. Well, now here is your next chart, the chart number 3. Here all the numbers have got 3 digits each. So you can first start with 2 numbers. Once you're comfortable with 2 numbers and you're doing it with speed, then you can add 1 number more, then you can go up to 4 numbers, then you can go up to 5 numbers, and gradually you go up to 6 or 7 numbers, as comfortable as you are. The purpose is that you should be able to increase your speed and you should be more comfortable and confident with whatever you are doing. So in that process you'll be able to generate more confidence and generate more speed of your doing calculation. So now let us go and try to see the next chart. Well friends, now you have seen the chart number 3 with 3-digit numbers. Now you will see the 4-digit numbers. So write down 4-digit number. Initially you may write 2 numbers and just add it quickly. Remember it, do it yourself like this. Okay, once you are confident with it, once you are comfortable with it, increase this to 3 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Quickly. 8, 7, 15 plus 4, 19, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 3, 14, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 1, 4, 9. And when you are comfortable with this, increase it to 4 numbers. So I'll count it, I'll total it, 1, 2, 3. So what I've done, I have just given pressure on my processor and then by that process I've increased the speed of my processor. Once you practice it regularly, first with the 1-digit number, then 2-digit number, then 3-digit number, then 4-digit number, then you can increase it sidewise, vertically and horizontally, both the way you can increase it, and then over a period of time you will see that you are in a position to do the calculations much quicker. You can also try by increasing these numbers, because I have given a chart up to 4 digits. You can make it 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits. So you can start like this: 5 7 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 3 8 2. Once you remember it, do not just jump upon this. First do the first digit, 1 digit, then do 2 digits, then 3 digits, then 4 digits. Gradually increase it: 5 7 3 4 8 3 6 8 2 3 4 6 7 6 5 8 2 3. Now add it like this: 1 2 3. You see, you need not take time to see it. The visualization should be quick and the processor should be quick. You may make some mistake, doesn't matter. So you should now see this chart 4 and practice it yourself, right? Okay, let us see the chart 4. Well, now finally we are at chart number 4, our final chart. So here you will see all the numbers are given 4 digits each. So here again, you can start with 2 numbers, then you can increase to 3 numbers, then you can increase to 4 numbers, and it may go up to 5 number, 6 number, as comfortable as you are. Similarly, you can increase the digits of the numbers. Instead of 4 digits, you can make it 5 digits and 6 digits, or even 7 digits. The purpose is to increase the numbers and make your processing should be more complicated, more faster, so that you can really increase so that your practice is so good that you can increase your speed of doing calculation. So we are now at the end of this charts. So finally we have completed our charts, and now let us go ahead further. Well friends, we have now seen the chart number 4, and you have seen all the digits, digit number 1, digit 1, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, like that. So after that you should increase your rows and columns sidewise, horizontally and vertically, and make more numbers. Take 5 digits, 6 digits and more numbers, and gradually increase the numbers and make the practice. But remember certain things very carefully. Do not ever count on fingers. Stop this habit. This habit does not allow your processor to grow, to develop. Do not count on fingers. Second, just visualize and add. Do not think. 2 6 8. Quick process. 2 6 8. 7 5 12 2 1. 3 plus 1 4 3 7. 4 2 6. Quick. Just visualize and add. Practice these things regularly. Over a period of time, you will see that you have increased your speed. Do not worry about mistakes. You may make some mistakes in the beginning. Over a period of time, when you practice, you will see that your mistakes are not there. So do not worry about mistakes. Let the mistakes happen. Gradually it will go. Continuous practice will give you proficiency. So these points are very important. Increase the rows and columns gradually. Do not count on fingers. Just visualize and add. Practice regularly. Do not worry about the mistakes that may happen, and continuous practice. These are the few things which you need to remember. Once you do that, then nothing will be able to stop you from increasing the speed of your calculation. Apart from that, few more things I'd like to tell you. When I was practicing it, apart from practicing these numbers, I used to take one more thing. I used to do one more thing. Whenever I used to drive my scooter or motorcycle or my car, I used to see the number plate of other vehicles in front of me and used to count those. Say for example, the number plate of a car in front of me is written 4327. I used to total it. 4 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 6, 16. And 16, 1 plus 6, 7. Just add it quickly. There's another number given near 5834. You just add it. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 3, 16 plus 4, 20. 22 plus 0, 2. Just add it. Wherever you find numbers, just add it. What will happen? Over a period of time, your processor will become totally competent to visualize and add quickly. And this is going to help you in increasing your speed for doing calculation. I hope you have understood how to increase your speed. It will not happen in one day. And don't think that some miracle will happen. It will take some time. Once you practice this regularly, by seeing the charts and writing the numbers yourself, practice it regularly. Over a period of time, you'll be able to increase your speed. With that, today we'll be stopping here, and the next session we'll see an addition magic. The addition, a magic you will find within an addition. How to do an addition, and you can show it to other people just like a magic. You'll see that in my next session. So enough for the day. Today's session is over here. I'll meet you again in my next session. Thank you very much. All the best.